This year we've got lots happening at Christmas, including a really special carol service with a children's nativity on Christmas Eve at 6 p.m. So make sure you come along for this, but although it's a free event, you've got to book tickets. So tickets will be available from the 1st of December. So you can get your ticket, invite a friend along, get their ticket and come along for some fun in that evening. And do note that on Christmas Day we'll also have a service in the morning at 10:30, but you won't need to book for that. You can just come if you like on Christmas Day before you have your Christmas dinner. So that's for Christmas.
There's nobody like God, like God. I'm talking about my God, my God.
Young people, this is for you. If you can sing or you can play an instrument, why don't you join us in the youth band? And we're going to have a band practice this Thursday here at Excel Church at 7:30 till 9. So if you have a gift in singing or in playing an instrument, or you just want to see what it's all about, then come and join us at 7:30 this Thursday for youth band practice.
Praise the Lord, everybody.
This year we're having a massive kids party for all the kids at Excel Church, which is really exciting. So this is going to be happening on Thursday the 23rd of December at 3:30 in the afternoon. So parents, you can get your children's tickets online, book them a place at excelchurch.org.uk/kids at Christmas, and you can pick up a letter in the foyer with a bit more information. But it's going to be a good one, guys. We're going to have games, there's going to be a free McDonald's meal, right, that's happening, and there might be a visit from Santa as well. I can tell you there definitely will be a visit from Santa, so it's going to be a good one. Parents, get your kids booked in for that because you don't want to miss out for the kids party.
And I never get enough of your love, Lord. Never get enough of your love. Never get enough of your love, Jesus.
I know we don't want to admit it, but Christmas is coming and it is right round the corner. So that means our Christmas Fest is coming soon on the 18th and 19th of December. But we need volunteers. So if you'd like to help out, there is going to be something for everyone to get involved in at this Christmas Fest. So make sure you head to our website, sign up to help out and volunteer at the Christmas Fest this December.
Never get enough, never get enough, never get enough, never get enough. So
Do you like cutting or making things? Well, why don't you join us for the next 3 Tuesdays here at Excel for some craft evening sessions where you can come along and make some cool stuff that we will show at our Christmas Fest. So why don't you come along? It's going to be happening for the next 3 Tuesdays from 6:30 till 8:15. So come along to Excel Church for craft sessions.
come on, man.
So remember guys, Connect groups are meeting this week, so make sure you connect with yours. And that's all for Excel News. So if you want any more information, just head to our website or get us on social media for more regular updates. And have a wonderful week, guys.